Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC and 3 commas update for the day. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like, we will go over to the accounts and see how they are getting on. So let's get that calculator up. So as you can see here, Kusama, a coin that I've been massively bullish of, was basically my largest holding, has basically blown its load. This is what happens in the parabola. Everybody starts to FOMO in and get excited and buy it up, and then they ruin the party. They ruin the party that we're in. They ruin the great fundamentals on the upside of this coin, because they all wanted to rush in through that door at the same time. And now they all wanted to rush out that door. But hey, that's just what it is. That's trading. That's what gave me the opportunity to get out on this way up, and we are now basically trading lower. So yeah, that is what it is. That is trading for you. This is what you wait for. You don't take profits in this bit. You don't take profits here. You take profits when you get a massive spike up. And that's kind of a lesson that I learned a while ago if I wanted to maximize my profits. So anyway, 1.462. So as you can see, MXC is doing particularly well, and would you believe it, Binance is not doing that well. So there you go. Binance altcoins, Binance altcoins, the bane of my life. So 1.24 we'll call that. So that equals 2.586. So if we take away 0.638, we are on, look at that guys, we are basically nearly 95% there. 0.948 Bitcoin in I think we're on about 41 days, 41 maybe, 42 days, but regardless, it's one of those. So we are nearly there. If it wasn't for Binance being such a laggard, we would be there. So if these Binance altcoins start to get a move on, and the altcoins that we've got start to make a move on, we could be looking good. We could be looking good for mission accomplished. As you can see, I'm sat in quite a bit of tether here. Quite a bit of dot also, and you will notice the lack of Kusama. Kusama, my favorite coin. I feel a bit naked without it. I've started to build an ocean position. Interesting thing to say there. And then bought a little bit of ample, and we've got some ring as well. I may have a little look at ocean. Because we may look to add something there. How much tether we got again? 1,300. That'll do. We will. Oh, I can't lift the guy if it's that. Oh yeah, I can. I'll lift this guy. Oh, there's hardly any volume in here anyway. If I'm gonna go up that high, I may as. We'll get this guy. Bye. Right, we got him. We got most of it anyway. So yeah, we'll buy a little bit more ocean. Get building the ocean position. Just refresh that again so we can have a little look at what's going on there. Yeah, so yeah, getting there with an okay ocean position. Dot, obviously I'm waiting for the parabola and dot, and I'm waiting for Edgeware to get a move on, and also anchor. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I am also actually thinking here I may I do really like ocean, and I'm not sure I have the size position that I would like. Let me have a look at ample here as well. How much ample have I got? Oh, we've hardly got any ample here, have we? Okay, let's we have topped up on a bit of that ocean. They don't really get too many decent offers in here, so we'll lift them for that much. That'll do. And I feel like I'm not even. Oh, we're in. We're done. We're in. So we're in that ample. Let me just have another little look at our our portfolio. It just annoys me how they don't just put them all on the same page. They've got like new ones and old ones, and it's just like yeah, just have them on the same page, guys. So what are we lacking? XOR is fine. I'm fine with that. Ample, we still not got much. We got a decent amount. Ocean, yeah. To be honest, I prefer ocean. We will just lift some more ocean. That'll do. We'll lift that ocean. Filled him. Right, so there we go. We have allocated that KSM profits. I'm still running dot because I think dot could end up with a bit of a well, looking at on here is obviously a bit. Oh well, this is actually having a move up now. This obviously wasn't this is just doing this right now. I didn't notice it was so high. Let me just show you on a 5-minute chart, and you'll see what's going on. This is the 5-minute chart, so this is clearly making a move now, because I was literally saying I'm holding on to my dot because I'm waiting for the parabola and dot. So maybe this is it. Maybe this is it, guys. Maybe this is the dot parabola. Because it does need to play a little bit of catch up to where Kusama is. And I have actually been noticing the correlate, because I think these two coins are great, and I'm probably not the only one. I've noticed when DOT has been underperforming and KSM has been doing well, I've then taken money out of KSM, put it into DOT, and then DOT has done well, I've taken money out of DOT and put it into KSM, and then KSM has done well, and I've taken, well, I haven't put the money into DOT, I still got money in DOT, but I then have taken the money out of KSM, and then obviously other people are taking that money out of KSM and using it to pump DOT. So some interesting dynamic that I have noticed there over the past few weeks that I've been trading these coins. So yeah, interesting. So yeah, let me just, so here's a calculator. There we are, 0.948 Bitcoin up. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.